Good.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
Pester him, pester him, pester him.
That was nice, Callie.
Pester him, pester him.
He gave me a big jump.
Okay, turn back around.
He did. Do you need a drink of water?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, hang on 1 second.
Let go.
Okay, give him a smack. There you go.
Get off of me.
Good girl.
Wait a minute. Come here. Come here, Amanda.
Get over here. Go over there and sit
I
down.
lost her.
Go sit down by your hat. Sit down right there. Yes.